Hello all my lovelies. This little short video is a very important one. This is a reach out to anyone feeling sad right now or suicidal or knows anybody that is. I reach out to you. I send you God's love and light. God bless you. You are loved. The angels love you. All that is divine loves you. Jesus loves you. Please seek help if you're feeling down. The Christmas season, the holiday season is a lonely time for many. Many elderly folk feel down. Many young people are in a depression right now. Please look around you and be aware in your happiness that somebody sitting beside you might not be so happy. Lend a helping hand, give a hug, smile often, offer to buy somebody a cup of coffee, reach out to people. One little act of kindness can change a person's outlook and give them the hope they need to carry on a little bit longer. Here I've included the number to the suicide hotline, and I hope you never need to use it. But if you do, and don't feel you have anybody to reach out to, please reach out to these people. They're there to talk to you and help you. I know it's a long road, I've been there, but you can come back from it. You can fight your depression, and I invite you to do so. You are deeply loved. I love you. The universe loves you. There's people in your life that love you. Please seek help if you need help. And others, please like and share this video. Please get the word out and help as many people as you can. And please spread your happiness to someone else today. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.